GameStop is trending again as investors and traders fixate on an anticipated report from Michael Burry, a figure whose past involvement with the stock continues to carry outsized symbolic weight. The renewed attention follows recent insider share purchases by CEO Ryan Cohen and board member Larry Ching, moves that many in the community are interpreting as a strong signal of internal confidence at current price levels. This insider activity has reignited speculation around GameStop's persistent short interest, with the stock currently showing a short float of 16.11%. While not extreme by meme stock era standards, it remains elevated enough to keep short squeeze narratives firmly in play, especially if a fresh catalyst sparks sustained buying pressure. From a volatility standpoint, implied volatility at 64.79% reflects expectations for meaningful price movement ahead, though notably lower than the triple digit IV levels seen during peak speculative frenzies. This suggests the market is pricing in uncertainty and potential upside, but not yet bracing for a full blown squeeze scenario. Meanwhile, a beta of 1.82 reinforces GameStop's tendency to amplify broader market moves, adding to its appeal for traders seeking momentum and volatility. Options positioning further highlights this dynamic. February 20 out of the money $25 calls have drawn notable interest, with 12,249 contracts in open interest. A delta of 0.51 implies these calls are behaving increasingly like the underlying stock, while a 44.32% probability of finishing in the money indicates traders see a realistic chance of a move above $25 in the near term. This concentration of call interest suggests bullish positioning without yet reaching the kind of extreme leverage that historically preceded explosive squeezes. Altogether, the setup has created a familiar tension. Bulls argue insider buying, lingering short interest, and renewed attention around Michael Burry could combine into a catalyst driven rally. Skeptics counter that without a concrete fundamental trigger or major earnings surprise, enthusiasm may fade once speculative momentum cools. For now, GameStop sits at the intersection of legacy meme stock psychology and modern options driven trading, with the community closely watching whether insider confidence and options activity translate into the kind of sustained move that could force shorts to reassess their positions.
So GameStop up 6.42%. This is Monday, the 26th of January, 2026. 23 million shares have crossed the tape. Average volume is 6.551. There's a good chance that market makers may have a hand in this volume we're looking at right now. Any intraday highs here? Intraday high 25.01. It has this history of this sort of volatility. Okay, so at some, yeah. Let's see what we have on its daily chart. Underlying trend is bearish, if not neutral. This trend it has is expected to remain in place up till let's see now, up till Wednesday the 28th. Then from the 29th, Thursday the 29th, we are expected to see we should expect to see a contraction going all the way down to the lows of yeah, I mean, going up, I mean, we should expect to see a contraction towards the 11th of February. After that, we're looking at the prospect of a constant, but it seems in the interim, the 40-day moving average may serve as a support. Momentum is expected to remain strong at least up till Thursday, the 29th. Then after that, there's a chance we might see a decay in momentum at least towards the 11th, towards the 9th of February. As things stand right now, projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, 15.53, 16.47, 18.01, all downward projections. But we've seen that market option traders are positioning for a move towards $25, and we've seen that that's an intraday high that printed not long ago. Yeah, 25.01. That it was printed today, so it's expected to probably be retested. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Given that it has printed that intraday high, there's a chance we might even see even higher prices on its market grid. We'll have a look at that later on. On this 4-hour chart, high prices are expected to remain in place up to the 2nd of February. Then after that, there's a prospect of a consolidation. Although I think it's just saying that a consolidation was what is expected up till the 4th of February. The 40 period moving average on this 4-hour chart is also expected to keep rising to probably serve as a support in the event of a pullback. Momentum is expected to is expected to begin to decay anytime soon and may remain subdued up till the 4th of February. Okay, let's see now what we will get from its market grid in terms of possible prices. Okay, let's see what we have. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's just 25, just 25. So it's just been reiterating that projection 25. But indeed, there are also down projections 23.55. I really doubt if we're going to see anything higher than $25. And but indeed, it has Fibonacci projections way beyond $25. Yeah, okay, we have slightly above 25.47. Okay, 25.09. I doubt if we're going to see anything. 25.63. Okay. Yeah, so the stock is trending right now. Just have a look and see what you make of GameStop, and thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, before we go, there's I think something popped up on the screen over there. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have here. Whether there's any news. The company moved to sell its also moved its 4,710 Bitcoin worth $422 million to Coinbase Prime, sparking speculation about a possible sale of its Bitcoin assets amid current market conditions. Oh, okay. Burry has revealed a stake in the company. Okay, yeah. Burry, the investor best known for profiting from his bets against the U.S. housing market. Okay, he described said he's been buying shares of GameStop. He described the position as a long-term value investment rather than a renewed play on meme stock volatility. Okay, okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.